Hi student, this is the instruction for assignments number 5, Architecture 122. First of all, I need you to read the one I post right here for make sure that you need to do two parts separate. The first one, I need you to draw 30 degree isometrics, elevation plane, offset, and elevation. So you can read information right here. I need you to do for 1A scale. I need you to do 1A scale, and after that you draw 30 degree first. On information right here, they give you the floor plan right here with the window, the door, and the wall, the curved wall, and the stair. After that elevation, they give you the dimension from the height of the elevation, and the height from the door, the height from the window, and on of the dimension they give you right here, the width from the building, the long from the building, the curve. And after that, the side right here, look at this one. You stay right here, you look right in this view, and you can see the height from the building like this. The highest one right here, after that slope down, and after that flat one right here. So when you stay right here, you see the elevation right this with on of dimension right here. For example, 16 right here, that means the point right here is 16 feet high. After that, they go around 12 feet and they slope up. That means you measure from here to here 12 feet and they slope up to there. And from here, they have the flat one, 6 feet. That means from here to here 6 feet. So when you stay right here, you look this elevation. When you stay in front of the building right here, you see this one. The door right here is the door right here. It gap inside. How much? 3 feet inside here. So the door gap inside. Remember the last homework you do the similar with the door. And after that, you see the window on the second level. And they give the maximum height for the building is 25 feet, 8 feet door. And after that, this one is the second floor. And you can see the window on the second floor. You have also the window right here. You see on the floor plan it on second floor also. Dimension from the window is right here, and on of dimension they give you everything. So from here they ask you to draw 30 degree isometric. Remember last time we start to do that. That means you stay around here and you look at the building. You see this side and you also see this side, and they need you to draw from isometric. You see both sides. Okay. So the first of all, you read everything from the assignment, and after that I give you some instruction so you can start to draw. For example, right here I zoom bigger, for that way I can see on of dimension. One more time, very careful. This is the skyline above, so that's why I see on of the information, the dimension, and after that I start to draw with the scale 1/8 equal 1 feet 0 inches. The scale right here, 1/8 equal 1 feet 0 inches. That means you take the scale like before I show you and turn on 1/8 to measure everything on the drawing a 1/8 scale. When you draw on dimension right here, I copy from the information the given they give, and I start from here. Number 1, I'm start horizontal line like before you did horizontal line. That's number 1. Number 2, start to do vertical line. Number 2, the pink color. That's number 2, and this one is 0. After that, you create the angle line. Number 3, 30 degree from horizontal line. Same thing with this side. Okay. Number 3, similar like last homework. Number 4, I need you to use the triangle to do vertical line, and this one perpendicular to the horizontal line. That means it parallel with the vertical right here. Okay, so number 4, I think it's number 8. Number 4 is the one you see right here. Number 4 right here, sorry. Number 4 right here is the line you need to draw parallel with the angle line. Number 4. And how do you draw that? You measure from 0 up to 25 feet. Mark the point, and after that draw the line. Number 4 parallel with number 3. Okay, so number 4 is parallel with number 3. And again, you do one more time from 25 feet. You do the line parallel with on the right side right here. You have number 4 also. Here, number 4. That means I need you to create number 4 is parallel with the angle line. Number 4 right here and number 4 right here. Okay. Number 5 is the one you do parallel, but this one you do for the detail with this side. You have number 5. The detail for the second wall from the building. Number 5. After that, number 6 here, you draw the line parallel with number 5. Now, the distance right here, you look at the floor plan. They give you on-off information, the big one right here. So you use the information right here when you draw on this side. The information right here is for this side. So you stay right here to draw. So that's why you follow both of them to draw the isometric view. So that's why number 5. And number 6, after that you create number 7. The purple color. Number 7 is the highest point from this one. And again, go back with this one to look at, go back with the first one to get the height from this point. And you look at this one, the height from this point, you can see on here, that's right there. It is 16 feet high. You can see that's 16 feet high. And how high is it this point? You look at this here, and it is 25 feet maximum high. Right there, the highest one from the building is 25 feet. After that, it slope down, and here is 16 feet, and here like this. You on up the information here, like your reference when you draw this one. Okay. Number 7. After that, number 8, I need you to draw the vertical line with the angle. So you do vertical line with the horizontal line right here, number 1, and you stop it cut with the angle line right there. I need you create number 8. Number 8 right here. Number 8 right here on the orange color is number 8. And number 8 right here, I put number for you so you can see that you need to do for number 8 with the window line and the door. Vertical line, okay? In last homework, I see few students do the vertical line with the angle line not really correctly. That means when you do vertical line and you do this line not parallel together. So that's why you make the view is not really exactly right. Okay. Okay, so number 9 is the one you add the detail for the sun, the roof line, the sun glass roof. This one, number 9, you need to do double line for the window frame outside here. If you look at this one, is this area, skyline. So you see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one right here 5, skyline above. So this one you need to do equal. And when you look at this side, it's right there. Okay. So you draw this one, I call that number 9. And finally you do the curved wall. This is the curved wall in the back from the stair, number 9. If you look at the drawing, it's this one. And the Y from this curve is 9 feet. So you can draw this one. The thickness from the wall, use 6 inches for me, please. For example, you see the wall right here is 6 inches thickness. Same thing with other one. If you see some wall thickness, draw from 6 inches. For this one, from this one is 6 inches. Okay. And that's it on of the line we need to create for this one. Finally, check with dimension. Dimension right here should follow with the floor plan and elevation orthographic view. Okay. So that's part A from the homework. If you do last homework number 4, this one I think that's easy with you. Remember scale 1/8. Continue with part B. Part B, after you do part A, you cut. For example, this one is part A. You cut between the building, cut through the building, and you got maybe 5 to 6 feet, and you show everything inside also from the building. So that is Part B. You cut around 5 to 6 feet from the building, and after that draw a double line 6 inches for the wall, because you cut, so that's why you see the thickness from the wall 6 inches. And you can cut from the door right here, with cut the curved wall with interior wall. So right now you stay here, you can see outside, so that's why you see everything inside here. When you cut around 5 to 6 feet right here, you mark from 0 up to 6 and you start. Everything do the same way like you do on Part A, just do cut from the building. So that's why you see interior also. Okay, so now you can see the glass window frame right here. Okay, and this one, just the line I mark for you can see that's not show on the drawing, just the construction line. You do very light, so that's why after that you can delete, because you just see this part only. We cut right here, cut right there. Okay, so that's why everything we see is that level only. Cut line, the line I mark right here for you, so you can see very easy when you draw which one you need to draw vertical, which one you need to draw for parallel, something like that. So I make different color so you can see that on the drawing. It should be the lines like this when you create that. Okay, so basically this one, after you finish Part A, this one not hard for you. You do exactly the same way, just cut shorter, and after that show more detail inside. For example, the wall right here, you see this is open, the wall right here up to the second level, and the curved wall, this is you cut, and you can see this one is the landing. You see the stair right here, I mark the line for you can see that. You can draw the stair up here. This one hidden by the wall, and after that this is the landing before you go up to the second level. And this line you see here, that's been the line right here, the line in the floor. You see that? And it go with the curve under this landing. So basically I put the number for you can see, number 1 for horizontal, number 2 for vertical, number 3 for angle line, similar like the first one, the Part A. After that you cut from 6 feet right here, stop, and you draw everything else by detail one. After you do that, I need you can keep on of the construction line, the line very light. When you draw like this, you can leave it there, or you can erase it. Finally, I need to see this part and this part. That means Part A, I need to see whole view from isometric, both sides. And the second one, I need to see the section cut from the building, of course, both sides. But you cut short from the building. From building right here, when you create this, now you cut between maybe 6 feet high, and after that draw a little bit inside detail. So Part A, Part B. Besides that, I create one more thing for you. Do the optional. You look at this. This one is the one, look at the face right here, but the angle is different, not the isometric. It's a one viewpoint for the building. So you see the orthographic right here, but a little bit angle line, and the view you looks like it's not the bird view. It just look like in your eye views. So you can see the building high, and after that one point perspective you can see like this on this one. And if you do this one, I think that I can give you the credit for optional up to 20 points. So that's why depend, maybe 10 to 20. So that's why it depend on you. If you're interesting, you can do this part and get extra credit point for that one. This is optional. Okay, so basically first one, read everything from the giving. and draw isometric 30 degree on 1/8 scale. You need to look over this one, floor plan elevation and elevation on the side view. You can do bigger, for you can see the dimension and on of the detail from the building. Okay, skyline and everything, you can see detail and on of dimension they give you right here. Start with this one first, like I show you, and with your experience from last example, you can do that, or you can follow the number I post right here for part A. Part B, you do exactly like that. However, you cut the building. You cut around 6 feet high, and after that show more detailed interior. That part B. That's the main thing I need to see for both of them, with dimension or construction line inside there. Okay, part A, part B. And the last one is optional. If you interesting, you can draw this one. I think that's easier than the other one, and you can get up to 20 points for this one. That's it for homeworks assignment number 5. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.